This course aims to strengthen operational control discipline and risk awareness in day-to-day branch banking activities. Participants will learn how to manage end-to-end branch workflows, including account opening, cash handling, service requests, and reconciliations with structured control checkpoints. The program focuses on applying make-a-chicker discipline, identifying high-risk operational touchpoints, and ensuring proper documentation and audit readiness. It also develops the ability to detect early warning signs of control breakdowns, manage reconciliation processes, and handle sensitive transactions such as dormant account reactivation and account modifications. By the end of the course, learners will be able to maintain strong internal controls and reduce operational risks effectively.